Hi, this is video about my review on the WISKF. The company recently opened and they give small YouTubers the chance to review their products, and it's very nice. I really like their bags. They do customize, they do everything, all the like pictures they can add is so nice, like anime. They have so many choices in their bag collection, so don't miss out. And I have a discounts as well. If you put a, I'm going to put it in description if you want to buy animes, and you can customize your name as well. You can anything, you can just send them your picture or anything, and they can upload it, put your name, and the material is very super nice. So guys, don't miss out. They even so cheaper as well. You don't find this much cheaper bags in anywhere, and so nice quality as well. And this one is really nice. And if you guys want to buy it, go check a description for it, and I'm gonna show you the website where you can buy it as well. So don't miss it out. Thank you. I hope you like it. This bag is big enough. You can put so much stuff in there, and it's inside a zip as well. You can put a mobile and important stuff in there and keep it safe as well. There's a lot bigger bag. You can put so much for picnic. You can take this for picnic, anything like that, or any like vacation. That's all. It's nice bag, and quality is very good. You can see. And one more thing, they're having a sale on right now, so don't miss it out too as well. And I hope you'll enjoy the sale and my discount as well. So it's gonna be more cheaper. So bye, take care.